Hello people, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be opening my Nano X. It's been out for quite a while. I got it in during Black Friday, but I haven't had the chance to open and install it, so I'm gonna do that today and I'm gonna go every step of the way with you guys, okay? So let's jump into it.
It was a nightmare.
Activate.
Okay. Right, so got the ledger. Let's just open it up. See what we find. Oh, this is actually so rusty, barely poking anything. Right, there we go. So slide ledger. There we go. Comes out like that. Alright, so let's see if there's anything else underneath here. We have our welcome packet. There we go, getting started. The micro to USB. That's it. Something's moving underneath there. What is that? Huh. Oh, sweet. Little hanging keyring. Nice. Yeah, that's about it. Just gonna put that back in there. Get that out. Put it on the size a bit. It's a bit heavy. A little bit heavy. Nice little clean shit in there. So, alright, let's get on. I got the OTG kit as well. Let's see what's in here. It's mainly just extra cables for when you need them, really. What else will you have them? Tell you what, this is useless. This is so blunt. Okay, there we go. Got that there. I've been dying to open this. I bought it since Black Friday. Got it with I think it was 40% off, and it's just been sitting in the drawer for ages. Just been waiting for the right time to open it up. So we got 3 cables in here. We have micro to USB. We got this one here, and then we got this other one here. Well, we got 2 of those. Sweet. That's micro. Oh, that's micro to USB-C, and then that is micro to USB, and then USB-C to USB-C, and over here we got another USB-C to actual USB. Gosh, 4 different cables. Nice. Got 40% off. Bargain. So you better watch out for them. You're always getting nice discounts with the nanos, with the ledgers. So I think for my one, I can use either one of these ones, so I'm gonna go for this one here. I'm gonna go for this one here for now. Okay, so let's see what the instruction sheet saying. So recovery sheet, you write down your recovery words. Got about 3 different one of them, and then nice little sticker, ledger, easy. I got the white and the dark one as well, which is cool. Use care regulatory statement. Oh, that is the long mission about this, and what we get getting started. Okay, so it says the Ledger NANO X securely store your private keys to your crypto asset. To set up your device, follow the instructions. ledger.com/start. Charge your device before you first use connecting the USB cable to a power source. Is it just a USB cable, or can I plug any of the other ones? Right, so what I'm going to do, let me see, basic action, press, to refer to the drawings, the first page, press the left button, which would be that one there. Press the left button. To power on your device, press the left or right button. To browse through the menu list, press both buttons simultaneously to validate a selection, and press and hold the buttons anytime to access the setting and to power off and more. Okay, so it says I should charge it before I actually start using it. So we're gonna put it to charge and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Plug that in there, and I'm gonna plug this in here. So we got a little welcome message to Nano X. Press the right button to continue. Is it charging though? I think it is charging. It's got a little symbol up there. I don't know what that symbol is. Starter pack. See what that says. I think it's the same thing but all different languages. So this is as far as these instructions go, guys. Right, so we're gonna head to we're gonna leave it charging for a little while, and then we're gonna go to ledger.com, see how it goes.